What's up, guys? Stas here. So check it out. It's about 11 a.m. right now on the East Coast, and Nikola stock is on fire as the markets are selling off. In general, we have Nikola up around 12%, and no joke, right now in real time, we're about to take out the highs from this morning. Literally, give it a second. Wait for it. Wait for it. Come on. Come on. Maybe not yet. Maybe not yet. We'll see. Maybe here in a second. But overall, we're at 141 right now. This morning, we hit 142, and this looks like it's doing very well. So I want to do an update on the charts, my thoughts, key levels. So if y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and of course don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Use that link down below, or simply go to stassurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your stocks, guys. We'll talk more about the details later, and with that being said, cheers, let's dive into it. All right, check it out. Again, we're up 12 now, almost 13%. Like I said, we're about to break the highs by the looks of it. We're going to do it any second now from this morning, being from 9:50 a.m. So let me draw this out and show you guys. Boom, there we go. Now we're starting to break through the highs. There we can see it, guys. So what we have right here, in other words, guys, on the intraday chart is an ascending triangle, right? We have these higher lows being made throughout the day, and now we're squeezing deeper and deeper into this triangle, and this is actually a good real-time example, guys. We'll see if it actually breaks through, but Nikola here is up 12.2 right now. Now it's starting to get rejected. You guys see the red candle forming, so maybe it, stays here a little bit at 140, 139, 141. Oh, there we go, 141 again. But overall, that's what we have on the intraday now. We have that ascending triangle. We'll see if it plays out. We'll wrap back around here in a little bit. And on the 5-day, 5-minute, now we can see it's starting to take out these moving averages, which you guys can see. Nikola was in a downtrend for a good couple of days. I mean, guys, it's actually been more than that. On the 4-hour chart, you can see it's been a couple of weeks, more like almost 2 months in a downtrend. But we did have a nice rally, if you guys recall, from around, let's see, the 14th of September all the way up to about the 19th. And then from that point, if I go back to the 5-day, from the 19th, we downtrended from 174 down to 117. That was a drop of around 30%. And with today's move, now that we're popping on the day, which is great, we're breaking out of the moving averages. We're actually taking out the highs from Friday, which is good. Now let's see if we start taking out these levels right here. Let me draw these out. 148 to 150. That was the high, it looks like, from Thursday morning. Another key one here is 160 to 162 roughly. Let's see, 167 is another one. So this is, where it could be going in the short term if it really catches fire, if it starts to break out of 140 up to 150. And that's on the 5-day, 5-minute here, guys. And on the 10-day chart, you can see, all right, now we're starting to test the 180 SMA, which is big. We did get a death cross last week on this time frame, which is not good. But with today's move, we actually broke right through the 50 SMA. Now we're starting to break past the 180 SMA here. Let's see if we successfully do that. Start going 150 plus. Obviously, that'd be good for the bulls. Like I've said here on the 10-day chart, you can really see that. And here on the 20-day chart, now you're noticing, all right, wait a second here. We hit 80 cents. We ran at 174. We pulled back, hit the 180 SMA, bounced off it, broke over the 50 SMA. This looks like it's slowly starting to reverse back to the upside on this time frame. Very good for the bulls, guys. And as we peel back the layers a little bit more on the 4-hour chart, of course, guys, we still have that what's it called? Head and shoulders. I blanked for a second. Almost forgot what it's called. I've said it only thousands of times here on the YouTube channel, guys. But look, we have the head and shoulders still pretty much intact here. You can see the left shoulder, the head. Oops, I butchered that. Let me redraw that. But the left shoulder here, the head's right here. You guys see the neckline's at about $1.80 to about $1.90. Let me draw this out to show you guys. Boom. So that goes to show, or goes back to what I said before. We need to start breaking 150, and honestly, we got to start breaking 180 and back over $2. That's where the real reversal, based on the charts here, will come on Nikola stock. Let me actually set my alert there right now. Let me put one at 180. I'll do that. Mark is that we're above 180, and I'll do another one at, let me do it at $2. Mark is that we're above, let's see, $2. There we go. And we'll see if Nikola could start pushing through those points. Now let's go back over to the intraday chart, which again, we talked about that ascending triangle. Let's see what's going on the intraday here, guys. Looks like we're still wrestling in that triangle. We're still pretty much consolidating right in here between 138, 139, 140. Now it looks like we're about to start going down. Maybe under 140, but overall, we have to give it a little more time. Sometimes, well, not sometimes, all the time, patience is key when it comes to charting, technical analysis. You really just have to be patient, guys, and draw things out and kind of wait and see what happens from there. Obviously, it doesn't always pan out the way you think it is. I mean, that's not possible. But, patience is definitely required. And at this point, we're not really seeing any move quite yet. We're still kind of stuck in this triangle. So in the meantime, I'm going to be watching 140, 145, which my alerts are more in the $1.80 to $2 range. Let me actually set one at 145, because if we start taking out 140 and we start building momentum above 145, that's where we're really going to start to take off. This is definitely a momentum stock. You guys know how it goes. And overall, that's what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments on that. And before we talk about the overall markets here, maybe some other stocks, don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo. I'm telling you guys, this is the best promo by far right now. Use that link down below, or just simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks right off the bat, and fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And mind you, each of those could be valued up to $2,000. And listen to this, guys, it gets even better. Fund your account at least $5,000 for a limited time on top of those 15 stocks. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock, which makes this promo a no-brainer. So get on it. Use that link down below, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's talk about some other stocks, and we'll take a look. We'll keep a little side eye here on Nikola for the next couple of minutes before I do wrap up this video. So Amazon's up 1.5% on the day today. I saw some news earlier that they're investing $4 billion in some AI company. I forget what they're called. Let's see here if it's listed on the live news tab. I'm sure it is. Yeah, Amazon to invest up to $4 billion in Anthropic as part of strategic collaboration. Maybe I'll make a video solely on that, but that's a big piece of news. And obviously $4 billion, guys. I mean, they probably made that yesterday. Let's be friggin' honest here. $4 billion is nothing to Amazon. But it's a lot to companies that are up and coming, obviously. So this is definitely a strategic relationship where Amazon's not taking a huge bet. $4 billion, that's, pennies in the couch for Amazon, but it could grow to something huge. And in the same time, they're working on technology, whatever they're doing with that. I'm pretty sure it's an AI company. Either way, guys, we're probably going to do another video on that. I haven't done too much reading into that. That's pretty fresh news here, but overall, we got that. That's moving the stock a little bit here. It looks like, wait a second. Yeah, Anthropic as AI arms race escalates. Yeah, for sure. That's the Wall Street Journal headline there. For sure, the AI arms race is escalating. So Amazon, like a lot of the other companies, they're making strategic investments. Do you blame them? Of course not. Why would you? I mean, that's what they have to do here to stay relevant, and we'll see how that plays out. And again, maybe I'll make a video on that. But overall, Amazon is up on the day, which is good. Now the markets are actually slowly turning green. The Russell and the NASDAQ are green now. Amazon is starting to consolidate at about 130, which did hold a couple of weeks ago. So let's see if that does hold again here on Amazon. And look at Nikola, guys. Look at Nikola go. Now it's starting to break over 141. You guys see that? Starting to pop. Look at that. Not breaking over 142 yet, but it looks like it's about to. No joke. Any second now. It's up 14% almost. So Nikola's looking really good. We'll see how that pans out here. Maybe in another video, in a follow-up video. Come on. There it goes, guys. Come on. Let's see. Are we going to get it? I'm actually going to chop it up. Maybe cut this video a bit to see if it does play out. Now I'm very curious, but we'll see here, guys. Come on. I'll cut it up. Wait a second. Come on. No. Come on. Almost. It's about to right here. Wait, come on. You guys see that? It keeps retesting that point and then coming back down a bit, retesting, coming back down. So any second now, we have to get some movement. There we go. Red candle. There's a red candle. So now we might start coming down a little bit. But either way, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, red candle now. All right. Either way, guys, we'll see how it plays out, and I'm going to wrap up the video. So, yeah, if you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. It's free. And to follow me on Twitter. Come on, at Stocks Talk Stocks. Link down below. Oh, there's the big sell candle. So now it looks like we're going to retest right around here at 138, 140. We'll see what it does. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.